Hey, this is Jazz with Swift Math Solutions. Do you struggle with math? Do you spend more time than you should working on the same math problems and then only to take the test and you still didn't pass the exam? Well, this is where I come in. My goal is to empower students with how to solve those math problems within seconds. Here's today's math tip. Today we're going to talk about time problems. We're going to talk about adding two time durations together. Here are the rules. First, we're going to combine the hours and minutes together in each time duration. Next, we're going to add these two numbers together. Then, if there is a carryover from minutes to hours, in other words, if there is a carryover from the tens column to the hundreds columns, or the combined minutes digits are greater than 60, we're going to add 40 to your total. And finally, if there is no carryover from the minutes to the hours, or there's no carryover from the tens column to the hundreds columns, or the minutes digits are less than 60, we do not need to add 40 to our total. Here's our first example. We're going to add 3 hours and 45 minutes and 2 hours and 35 minutes. So we're going to add 345 plus 235. Our total is going to be 580. Now, of course, 80 is greater than 60, so we do need to add in the 40. So we're going to add the 580 plus the 40. Our final answer is 620. This means there are 6 hours and 20 minutes. Here's our second example. Again, the rules state we're going to combine the hours and the minutes together in each time duration. We're going to add the two numbers together. And if there is no carryover from minutes to hours, or the minutes digits are less than 60, we're not going to add 40 to our total. So, example 2, we had 2 hours and 25 minutes and 3 hours and 30 minutes. We're going to add 225 plus 330, which is equal to 555. And of course, the 55 is less than 60, so we're not going to add 40 to our total. Final answer, it's 5 hours and 55 minutes. Example 3. Again, the rules state combine the hours and the minutes together in each time duration. Add these two numbers together. And again, if there is a carryover from the minutes to the hours, in other words, there's a carryover from the tens columns to the hundred columns, or the combined minutes digits are greater than 60, we're going to add 40 to our total. Example 3. We're going to add 4 hours and 55 minutes and 2 hours and 50 minutes. So we have 455 plus 250. We're going to add the 5 plus a 0, we get 5. The 5 plus the 5 is 10. Write down our 0, carry the 1. We're going to add the 4 plus the 2 plus the 1, we get 7. So as you can see, we did carry over a digit from the tens column to the hundreds column. So we need to add 40 to our total. So we're going to end up with 745, which means there are 7 hours and 45 minutes. Now let's talk about our time problems where we're going to add 3 time durations. The rule is going to change just a little. First, again, we're going to combine the hours and the minutes together in each time duration. Then we're going to add 3 numbers together. Then, if there is a carryover from the minutes to the hours, again, that's adding if there's a number carried over from the 10 columns to the hundreds columns, or the combined minutes digits are greater than 60, now we're going to add 80 to your total. Here's our example. We're going to add 3 hours and 40 minutes plus 3 hours and 15 minutes plus 1 hour and 33 minutes. So we're going to add 340 plus 315 plus 133. Our total equals 788. Of course, 88 is greater than 60, so now we're going to add 80 to our total. Our final answer is going to be 868. So of course you can see the 68 is greater than 60. So let's go to add another hour in our answer. We have 8 minutes remaining. So our final answer is going to be, when we combine 1 hour plus the 8 minutes plus the 8 hours, is going to equal 9 hours and 8 minutes. Again, we added 340 plus 315 plus 133. Our total was 788. We added 80 to our total. We obtained the answer of 868. The 68 is another hour. We have 8 minutes remaining from the 68. So we're going to add in 1 hour plus the 8 minutes plus the 8 hours. Our final answer was 9 hours and 8 minutes. For more math and powering tips, join Jazzy at Swift Math Solutions at Radiometry.com radio. We're streaming 24/7 with quick math tips and shortcuts. We also have Disney music and Disney movie theme music. You can also follow us at YouTube channel at Swift Math Solutions TV. Also, you can follow me on Facebook at Swift Math Solutions and also at Twitter at Swift Math Solutions. Remember, you can get empowered. We make math fun, not intimidating. This is Jazz signing off. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.